Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today guys I'm gonna be teaching you how you can create a website for free. Yes, so the first step we're gonna be taking today is going down and click in the link below this description, and then we're going to start our website absolutely for free. Yeah, okay, once we click in the link down below, we are moving to get started in the upper corner right. Okay, then we're going to check a website very similar to this. Create your account, continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with your email. Yes, click here where it says continue with your email. Joseph Smiths, for example, gmail.com. You guys are going to type your email, continue, and then you're going to be choosing your domain. I mean, what name you're going to put for your website. For example, I am going to talk about TubeBuddy, for example, TubeBuddy reviews, for example. That is going to be the name of my domain or my website. Yes, for example, now you're going to be checking like TubeBuddyReviews.blog is going to be costing you $20 a month. Yes, also TubeBuddy.review 24, but for this case I'm going to be typing just for the free domain TubeBuddyReviews0.wordpress.com, and it's going to be completely free. Yes, so you are going to check something like free here, but in Spanish is gratis. You see, click here where it says free and select. Then you're going to be checking that I have selected this address. Yes, and then continue here. So one domain for $00 and continue. Yes. Choose your WordPress, your favorite WordPress. Anyway, they are going to try to sell you again. Yeah, but in this case, gratis it means free. Yes, $00. You're going also to check the starter plan for $4 and the Explorer $8. But let's say where it says here, start for free. And after this, I am going to prepare my content. Yes, what are your objectives? Talk about your website. Yes, write and publish. For example, click here. Sell online, for example. Yes, and continue. Put a name to your store. For example, I'm going to name this TubeBuddy Toolkit for YouTubers, for example. Yes. Description, rank higher, for example, rank higher on YouTube with this awesome tool, for example. Yes, click continue. As you can see, the machine is preparing something like a theme for me. Yes, you guys can create your blog portfolio. Yes, but you can choose anyway any of these. I mean, not any there because you have to pay. But in this case, I'm going to be choosing a free template. Yes, because most of these are paid. Yes, but I'm going to be choosing one that is completely free. Yes, let's move to blog here, and you are going to scroll down, and here is one that is completely for free. Yes, the Nook. Click here. Yes, and you're going previewing this theme. You can ever change it, don't worry, but remember to choose the free one. Yes, as you can see, this is how my a website is going to be looking like. Yes, and I click where it says continue again. Yes, they are preparing the magic, and as you can see right here, yes, I am here on my platform. Yes, for example, TubeBuddy Toolkit for YouTubers. Click here in the in this part, and you can see that my website is almost ready. Yes, but this is not my website. I myself going to create my own website. How can I do it? For example, click here. As you can see, this is going to be my website, and click where it says entradas here in this pin. As you can see, these are my pins. Yes, for example, let's say I'm going to be editing the art of connection. Click here in the three dots and edit. Yeah, so omit. Yes, for example, we are going to create our first post in our website. Yes, so this is not our website. We're going to create new content. Click here and we start erasing. Yes, with the backspace. Yes, I am going to erase this part, or also I can select it, select everything and backspace, erased. Yes, and this is not my title as well, so I'm going to erase this and I'm going to talk about, for example, TubeBuddy, and I do this, best toolkit to rank. Yes, I am writing higher on YouTube, for example. Yes, this is gonna be my title. Yes, as you can see right here, TubeBuddy, best toolkit to rank higher on YouTube. Yes, click here to type the content. Yes, so how can I write the content here? So imagine I'm gonna be saving you time and money, and I'm gonna be using the this platform called ChatGPT. Let's move to ChatGPT. We are here in ChatGPT, and I am going to tell ChatGPT to create content about TubeBuddy. Please create a blog post for TubeBuddy. Yes, I am telling the machine to create this. Include ease of use, pricing details in a table of contents, for example. Also include features and who is this suitable for. So I am telling the machine to create this this information. You can ever change it as you like. Yes, for example, let's enter here and the machine is creating my beautiful blog. Yes, as you can see right here, right now. Yes, so you guys are going to be expert when creating content for your blog, right? Okay, as you can see, yeah. Also, the machine created a title, but because I already created the title, I'm just going to copy this introduction from this part, starting in the competitive. I'm going to copy all of this and then right click and copy. Then I am going to be pasting my content here, but first I'm going to change my screens. Yes, okay, so as you can see, I am here. Click here and I'm going to be pasting. As you can see, guys, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is my content. Yes, so I just copied and pasted here. Yeah, TubeBuddy, best toolkit to rank higher on YouTube. Yes, in the competitive world of YouTube, content creators are constantly seeking tools to streamline their processes, enhance their content, and ultimately boost their success. TubeBuddy emerges as a game changer in the arena, offering a comprehensive suite of features designed to empower YouTubers. For example, table of contents, introduction, ease of use, pricing details, key features, who is TubeBuddy suitable for, conclusion. For example, ease of use. One of TubeBuddy's standout features is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, TubeBuddy intuitive design makes navigating makes navigating easy for you, right? Pricing details, as you can see, the free plan, advanced features, $19, $9 to $19. Professional tools, $49 to $99. And yes, key features, keyword research. TubeBuddy provides in-depth keyword analysis to help optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags. Bulk processing, save time by applying changes to multiple videos simultaneously. Yes. Competitor analysis. Yes. Who is TubeBuddy suitable for? TubeBuddy is a versatile tool suitable for new creators, providing essential tools to kickstart their YouTube journey, growing channels, offering advanced features to optimize content and expand reach. For established creators, equipping them with professional-grade tools to maintain and enhance their presence on the platform. And for marketing agencies, streamlining workflow and maximizing results for clients. Yes, here's the conclusion. Yes. How about if I wanted to add an image here? Yes, for example, click here in the start and enter. Yes, as you can see, there is a space here. I put here the mouse and then click in this sign. Click here and, for example, image. Yes, upload. I'm going to upload an image. Yes, this is the image. For example, click over the image. Click on the image, and I'm going to click here and in the center, align to the center here. Yes, as you can see, TubeBuddy best toolkit to rank higher on YouTube. TubeBuddy, this is my image, my text, table of contents, ease of use, pricing details. Yes, key features. For example, what if I wanted to add a button here? Click below the image. Yes, here, and you are going to be checking across like this. Click here and type button, for example. Click, and you are going to add a text. For example, go to TubeBuddy. Yes. Yes. If you do this, for example, I'm going to put this in the center. In the center. Yes. Also, I can select the text and put it in bold. Yes. And also I am going to add a link. For example, here I select go to TubeBuddy, then click here in this clip, and then I'm going to paste a link. Enter. Yes, and it's like this. Yes, for example, I am going to separate this from the text. Click here again in the plus sign, click, and I'm going to type, for example, separator, for example. Click, and as you can see, there is a separator there that is dividing the image, the call to action button, and from the text, right? Okay. Yeah, it's like this. Yes. And also in the end of this, I'm going to add again, I'm going to add a button. Yes, a button. Yeah, it's here. So for example, go to TubeBuddy, for example. Yes, I select this in bold, then in the middle, then I am going to paste a link, enter. Yes, and it's like this. Yes, TubeBuddy. What if I wanted to add a link, for example, to TubeBuddy? Here I select it and then click here and then copy and paste, enter. Yes, and it's my link is there. Yes, also you guys can add, for example, a video. Yes, for example, let's see, you want to add a video here, enter. Yes, click in the plus icon and you are going to type video and a YouTube video, for example. Yes, you are going to paste the link address of the video. For example, let's say I'm going to look a video, I'm going to find a video here on YouTube, for example, and I'm going to look for a video, for example, a TubeBuddy review, for example, Forbes advisor, for example. Yes, TubeBuddy review, for example, any video. Yes, any video here. I copy the link here and I paste it here, paste it, and then click here in the blue part, and as you can see, the video is gonna be right here. Yes, yeah, as you can see, I have created my first post. TubeBuddy best toolkit to rank higher on YouTube. TubeBuddy, if you want to rank higher on YouTube and rank your video #1, you guys are going to use TubeBuddy, and it's completely for free, or you can also pay if you want more features. Yes, as you can see, I have created my first, well, blog post, but this is like a website. Yes, it's a website actually. Yes, and then I am going to put here update. It's updating. Yes, and then I'm going to click back here. As you can see, I am here, and I am going to click here. Yes, as you can see, TubeBuddy best toolkit to rank higher on YouTube. Yeah. For example, click continue reading. As you can see it here, and you are going, guys, to check the content. TubeBuddy, yes, but how can I erase this this image, because this is not my image, right? So how do I do this? Click here in this part, in this pin, TubeBuddy, yes, and I'm going to click here, edit, and I am going to put a feature image. Yes, so for example, let's see, click here, and then I'm going to remove this, and then once again, and I'm going to choose an image. Yes, for example, this. Yes, is the same. So, and update. Yes. Okay, as you can see, it has changed. And if we check here, you guys are going to be checking, yes, TubeBuddy. Yeah, and click here, and you're going to be checking the content here. Yes, but it doesn't look great, right? So I'm going to edit again, click here, edit, and I'm going to remove it because it doesn't look like awesome. Click here, remove, update. Yes, okay, again. Oh, here it is, continue reading. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, now it looks great. Yes, okay. So now we're going to publish our website. Click here, and then here in this home, then I'm going to click where it says public your site. Yes, yeah, your site is published. Yeah, and see site, click. As you can see, I am checking my free website. Yes, YouTube best toolkit to rank higher on YouTube. Yeah, click here, for example, continue reading, and you guys are going to be checking my first website. Yes, here we are. Go to YouTube here. Yes, yeah, you can ever edit it here, change this image, put your name here, and you can edit everything right here. How do I do this? Click here, I close this, for example, in this pin, click, and then I edit it. Yes, edit, and so on. Okay guys, I hope you have liked my tutorial about how to create a website completely for free. Yes, see you next time. Bye bye.